The man, the myth, the oldest man who never ages, Ronald McDonald.
These are vintage playground equipment. Let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing that grabs me, of course, are these gigantic trees. Man, these things are probably 10 feet tall, and the detail in here and underneath them, it looks as though they have some kind of apples or something under them. And his hair is all brushed to the side. Looks like with some tomatoes in there or some cheese. I'm being sensitive to my subject here. Check it out, all the way down with that gigantic smile. And then look at those cool roots. Hey, this looks like a play structure that was probably somewhat off the ground where the kids could climb at the top of it and get inside it. Here are the brackets on the side that actually go into these slots right here so the kids can pull themselves up. And I'll bet you there was a slide that went down right there. Oh, I'm right. Here's a slide with some green water in it. And there's a surprise on the slide here. I don't know this guy. Does anybody know him? Looks like he has some kind of goggles on the top and wearing glasses. Looks like a professor. Who knows this guy's name? I don't know. It goes down into this structure, a cage, and you get in right here. It looks like, how fun is this? Wow. Look at that. Has a pole right here. And some reason on the ceiling it has these holes at the top. I wonder if this thing, no, it doesn't spin. I must be bad at my characters. I don't know who this is either. Who is this? But look at this merry-go-round. How fun is this? And the kids hang on for dear life right here. And then it spins around, and not only does it spin around, but it also wobbles. Dude, you know how much fun you could have on this thing? I'll tell you what, I could have some serious fun on here right now. So here's a piece that Ethan is redoing right now. Who is this guy? He's got like a police hat on. And it looks like this went to the ground here. And then you crawled up inside this space right there. And it looks as though there was another ladder right there. It looks like you could go, oh yeah, look at that. You can go to the top and peek out at the top. How fun. And check it out, here's an old slide here. Well, I wonder how many kids have slid down that slide. Whew. Look at this part of this play set here. Look at those stairs just been worn down. You got a landing here and you have more stairs that go up into the, looks like a milkshake to me, man. Look at that, the McDonald's logo on the side. And I bet you that slide bolts in right there. And they climb in, slide down. I love the simplicity of this slide. Look how you just simply walk up here and you get to the top and then you just slide down right there. All one piece. I'm not sure, I thought this was an otter at first, but check out that tail. I'm not sure exactly what this is. It's a spring toy that they go back and forth on. I like the saddle on it. It shows wear. Nice. Uh-oh, here you go. You know it. Is that the Hamburglar? I do know him. I love the stripes, man. That dude is probably 12 feet tall. I mean, huge. His mask on, his hat, his polka dot tie, his prison garb. Man, nice. Check out this old train. Look how colorful that is. Man, it's still in good shape. Blue wheels, red underbody on it, green, 72. And then back here, here's the train part. And let's see what we got up here. Look at this. People have been engraving inside here, man. Ape was here. And look at this. Yeah, they're just like little picnic tables made into train cars. I love the design on them too. Nice. And here's another one, a blue one in yellow. Yes. And it's a place for them to eat in the train. Got this crazy merry-go-round here. Looks like a filet-o-fish sandwich in his mouth. It's like some kind of bird with a, yeah, I guess so. And then this one over here looks like a hamburger. Look at the detail on that. It looks like some kind of hot dog. This one isn't a bird. Another fillet of fish, it looks like. I love those fillet of fish. So good. And with the same detail in it. Okay guys, you know me. Here is a postcard from 1969, and I've got to show you these pictures. 1969 monkey pod tree. I don't know what that is. Well, that's a cool tree. USS Arizona Memorial. There I am as a boy climbing a coconut tree. Yeah, beautiful. I love this old school stuff. Look at that hut. Bird of paradise. Man, I'd be on the beach right there with something in my hand. Oh, that's a cool building. Look at that. I love that. That's a beautiful tree there. Huh. Must be Hawaii. Huh. I'm quick. I almost missed this guy. I didn't even notice it. Look at that. Looks like, is that Donald Duck with a hat on? McDonald's toys? I doubt it. Look at this old regulation sign. This park was built for enjoyment of McDonald's customers only. Only children under the age of 12 must be accompanied by their parents, unless they're marked daily. Playground attendant on duty must be obeyed for your safety, children's safety. What? Playground attendant? I've never seen one of those before. There's another regulation sign right there. What is this guy? Man, I love this. Looks like Cousin It. Okay, so it's not McDonald's, but check out this awesome prize machine from the, what year is this, Ethan?
70s.
Oh my gosh, the 70s. From Dino, of course. It's got your palm tree there. Oh, little dino, look at that being born. And look at this, I'm actually going to put a quarter in here. Oh, there's Fred spinning around in there. Uh-oh, look at that. And look at this, I got two surprises. And look at the side on here. I love this. I wonder how many of these people I can name. Is that Boo Boo? I don't know. Fred Flintstone. Little Scooby-Doo. I don't know. Who's that? Hey, I'm moving on. I don't know that. Wilma. Betty. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I need to brush up on my characters. Scooby-Doo. Pebbles. Yogi Bear. Huckleberry Hound.